Hey snowmen, if you're one of those who are participating in the early token distributions, then this news is important to you. ICE Network now recommends us to use our non-custodial wallet as opposed to the OKX exchange wallet we use for the January distribution. Remember, ICE Network had a partnership with OKX and advised us to use our OKX exchange wallet for the token distribution. But due to their recent fallout with OKX exchange, they have now switched to the non-custodial wallet by default. So ICE Network recommends you use your non-custodial wallet like your MetaMask, Trust Wallet, BitGet, and the likes for the token distributions. So if you submitted your OKX exchange wallet for the token distribution in January, you may want to change it to your BSC wallet address from your non-custodial wallet. So refer to my earlier video on how to get your BSC wallet address from your non-custodial wallet. You will find the link in the description or at the top of your screen. So once you've gotten your BSC wallet address from your non-custodial wallet, open your ICE Network Mining app. Make sure you're on the home tab. If you're not on the home tab, tap the home icon at the bottom left of your screen. Tap on the BNB Smart Chain address. If you can't see this button, scroll till you find it. Tap on it and tap on this area to change your wallet address. Press and hold and clear everything here and paste your BSC address from your non-custodial wallet. Once you're done, tap on confirm address. As you can see here, this card says we advise using a self-custodial wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Please ensure that you double check your wallet address to make sure you will receive the distribution. So tap on confirm address, tap on confirm, and that's it. You have now updated your wallet address from your OKX exchange address to your non-custodial BSC wallet address. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more ICE Network updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas, and earning opportunities. So keep claiming your ICE tokens, check your notifications for your daily bonuses and claim them, claim your daily streaks, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.